Welcome back. Dutch Point Credit Union has been making banking feel personal for more than 60 years with a mission to help members across our state feel more confident about their money. I know I want to feel more confident about my money.
We all do. And joining us in studio today is President and CEO Charlyn Tanner, along with certified financial counselors Marjorie, Damas, and Jessica Rioux. Thank you, ladies, for being here today.
Hey, guys.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank
good
you for
morning.
having us back.
Oh, we love to have you guys on the show. First of all, your focus. Tell us about the focus of Dutch Point.
Financial resilient communities. That's a big word to say. But, you know, it's all about empowering people is our focus with our certified financial counseling program that we're instituted at the credit union. So we want members in our communities to have financial wellness, and that starts with financial education.
Which is so important because I think a lot of people out there, do a lot of people come in without that kind of knowledge about their money?
Oh, a lot.
A lot.
I think a lot of people are, you know, it wasn't something now they're mandating in high schools, but, you know, when we were growing up, that wasn't an option. So, you learned it from your parents if they had any kind of financial knowledge. So.
But it's a conversation we should start with our kids younger, right, so that they're more financially stable. So what are some tips or some suggestions about how to get started with financial planning?
At Dutch Point, we're big on credit reviews. We offer free annual credit reviews to our members. So that's a lot of people start taking advantage of that at the age of 18 to just give them steps on what to do to build a credit score, maintain their credit score, or increase their credit score. So we're great on that, and it's a free service. Whether you're a member or not, you could take advantage of it.
And as a financial advisor, what is your role at the bank? I know it's to educate, but what else is there? What else is there?
So as a certified financial counselor, we meet one-on-one with our members, establish what their goal is. A lot of times it's not something that can be done today. They want to purchase a home in the future. And together with the member, we create an action plan that will eventually get them to land where they want to be. And it's very rewarding.
And I would imagine you have families that come to see you, single people, married people, divorced people, everybody. You know, so do you take the same approach with everyone when they're sitting down with you for the first time, or is there different templates for different scenarios?
I think our counselors, you can correct me if I'm wrong, you personalize it to each individual.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's, they have the skills and the knowledge to help, members. And so, what we're doing is empowering them to make good decisions. And the cost of credit is huge. You need a really great credit score so you're not paying more, on car loans, your credit cards. And, and I think credit unions have a better option for credit cards. Like the big banks, you're starting out, 30% interest rate.
I see some of those interest rates and I'm like, what on earth is happening?
We're not even close to that.
Not even close. And, we have rewards programs as well. But, your best option is to pay those credit cards off monthly,
And do you have to be in a certain group to join the credit union, like clergy or education or things like that?
We're a community credit union. So if you live, work, worship in Hartford, New London, New Haven, Middlesex counties, you can join.
That's a pretty big
and also if you already have a family member that's a member, you can also join that way.
Oh,
so you don't even have to live in Connecticut. You can live somewhere else or another part of the state or Massachusetts. You can still join if you have a family member who's a member.
What's the biggest fundamental difference between a traditional bank and a credit union?
I would say it's just our not-for-profit status. So, we have the same traditional products and service, but the credit union at Dutch Point, we're member-focused, and every decision we make is based on our membership and what they need.
How much do I need to get started, Marjorie?
$5.
$5?
$5.
That gets me in the door.
Yes, you can open a savings and checking account for just $5.
Okay, that's really remarkable. And you love working there.
I do. It's great working for a company that cares so much about its members, about the community, and about its employees.
Okay, well, terrific. We can't thank you enough for being on the show.
Oh, well, thank you.
It's Dutch Point Credit Union has 7 branches in our state. For more information, call the number on your screen. It's 1-800-842-1778 or visit dutchpoint.org.
Make sure to tell them you saw them on Great Day, Connecticut. All right,
see
Scott.
you.
We see you. Thanks for having us.